Clothing is the most category that closest to you in everyday life. It is the first one to clutter in the KonMari method and help you to sharpen your skill to define what sparks joy. So, take your time. For those who have a lot of clothing like me, here is my suggestion. Divide clothing by subcategory. Tops, bottoms, dresses, outerwear, underwear, socks, swim, costumes, hats, bags, purses, shoes, jewelry, leggings, accessories. If you have a big pile of each category, you may plan to tackle once a day or once a week per time you can deal with it. For me, I have 3 extensive wardrobes. I still can tackle all garments and left hats, shoes, bags/purses, jewelry, and accessories on another day. So, take your time, don't hurry, talk to your inner self what sparks joy.